All right, now we're going. Okay, so Penny had a bad knee, really two bad knees, but one that was really bad. It was very painful, hard to walk, hard to move, couldn't really go up and down the steps, right?
No.
1 year ago, we put Regen Shots into her knees. She got really better really fast, but I want you to let everybody know it's been 1 year, and how do they feel? Pain-wise, how they do?
Oh, wonderful. Absolutely no pain going up and down stairs. Very flexible. I did a yoga class this morning and bent and was all over the place.
And I can remember in the beginning you said, I don't even do stairs.
No.
It hurt so bad that you
No.
had not been able to do stairs
No.
for a while.
For quite a while.
And now, 83 years old, can go up and down the stairs.
That's right. It's been wonderful. I would recommend it to anybody who has a problem. Please get it done. It just makes your whole life change.
Keeps you independent and keeps
Yes.
you moving and keeps you walking.
Yes.
You don't have to depend on everybody
No.
to do everything for you.
No.
So wonderful. This is wonderful. The longevity. This is really working
It's
out
been
good.
a year.
And it's been a whole year, and we really just kind of think this will just keep on going for
Yes,
multiple years.
I think so.
We're in good shape.
I certainly hope so.
There you go.
It's good shape.